gotten several questions over the past few weeks about how to rebuild and clean a chuck, how to take a chuck off of a headstock. So I figured it's time that it probably warranted its own video. I'll start by this chuck is threaded onto a spindle, just regular threads. This one's pretty tight, so it's not coming off. So you've got to hold the pulley. Sometimes you can do it by locking in this indexing screw. You don't want to tear it up for sure. It's still too tight. That doesn't work. Grab a crescent wrench, put it on the jaw, get a little leverage. Still a little tighter than I like. Another option, get you a good set of channel locks, wrap something around the pulley so that you don't scar it all up when you're doing this. Grab that. There we go. Give it a little snap. Once you break it loose, it'll come off pretty easy. Depending on how long it's been on your machine, how much gunk it's got in it, it kind of tightens itself the way that it runs, so it does get tighter. At that point, you just spin it right off. Super fine thread, so it takes a lot of turns to get it off. When you're ready to put it back on, spin the guy right back on there. I'm going to get it off and take you over to the workbench. I'm going to show you how to disassemble this thing, clean it out, get it running good as new. Now that we have our chuck off, we've got to remove this snap ring first. Good set of snap ring pliers. This is a pretty hefty snap ring too. Alright, snap ring's off. Now you can separate the front and back half of the chuck. Just gotta work it a little bit. There's our scroll mechanism. You have 4 jaws. Pull the 4 jaws out. Now you can get in here with some carburetor cleaner, rubbing alcohol, air, however you choose. Clean everything out. The jaws are actually 2 pieces. You have your steel bottom jaw that have the teeth in them. And you have your aluminum top soft jaw. These are made to be replaced. We sell replacements for these on our website. That way if you overbore them or want to change them, whatever. If you pay attention. Now that we have everything apart, it's ready to put back together. We're going to take our 4 chuck jaws. See they have these curved teeth on them. You want to make sure they're curving up, not down like this. And if you pay attention to the top tooth, you notice that they're all different sizes. This very top tooth here, I'm going to put them in order, shortest to longest. And we're going to take these and we're going to insert them back into our jaw front clockwise. So shortest, clockwise turn, next longest. So forth and so on. Probably want to put a little oil in the sides of these too. All right. We've got all 4 of them in there. Get them aligned where they make a perfect square in the center. I like to put a rubber band around them to hold a little tension on them. Grab your rear scroll plate. I like to stick a Tommy bar in it for a handle. And you turn it counterclockwise until you feel it fall into place. Takes a little fiddling to get it, but you get it, turn around, look at the front, make sure the front's right. And now we've got this guy put back together. You see here, seams even all the way around. Now what we got to do is put the snap ring back in. If you look at this snap ring, it's got a smooth side and a side that's kind of got a burr on it. You want to put the smooth side down facing towards the chuck. Put your pliers back in it. Get it back in and push it down. You got a clean, smooth, operable chuck now. I do like to go in and make sure with these fine threads, you really want to get these threads cleaned out, make sure they don't have any gunk in them. And then you can take it, screw it right back on your lathe, and you're set up back in business at that point. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, cuemakersupply.com, home of Mid-America Lathes, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any ideas for videos, things you would like to see, drop us a comment. We try to respond to all the comments that we get. Have a good one.